Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So students, this is the third video which has been recorded for your fractions and decimals chapter. Okay, so in the last video we were discussing about comparison of two fractions, isn't it? So we did this comparison of two fractions, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, isn't it? So actually see this kinds in if you have either numerator equal or denominator equal, you can compare them directly. See, if you have 1 by 2 and something called 5 by 2, so you can easily compare. Denominators are equal, so you will compare numerators. So the number which is greater in the numerator, that is the bigger number. Okay, so 5 by 2 is greater than 1 by 2, or you can say 1 by 2 is less than 5 by 2, isn't it? So in the above example, this one here, both numerators are equal. Okay, so either you can do like that or directly you can compare when both the numerators are equal. Okay, now go for the comparison of denominator. Okay, so denominator which is greater is the lesser number. Here it is opposite. Here the numerator which is greater, that is the biggest number. Here new denominator which is greater, okay, among 2 and 3, 3 is greater. So 1 by 3 will be your smaller number. 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2, or 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Isn't it? We got the same after we did like this. We took the multiple, that is LCM, you can say. Okay, when you take LCM of 3 and 2, you will get 6. So you need to multiply with 2 for 1 by 3, multiply and divide, and you need to multiply and divide with what, 3. Here we did 3 to 1 by 2. Okay, so either you can do this, or its easiest method, just remember, is 1 point. So if both the numerators are equal, okay, when you compare denominators, so the number which is greater in the denominator is it is lesser than the other number. Okay, let me take one more example. If I have 5 by 7 and 5 by 20 to compare, okay, or 5 by 21, if I take anything you take. Okay, so here numerators are equal. Now let me compare your denominators. So what is denominator? 7 is greater than 2, isn't it? That means this fraction 5 by 7 is less than 5 by 2. Okay, or you can directly say this. Okay, so it is exactly opposite as of that your numerator whenever denominators are equal. Okay, so you will compare numerators, and the bigger number in the numerator will be the bigger number, okay, compared to the other. Whereas it's opposite when numerators are same. Okay, when you compare denominators, the number which is greater in the denominator, the whole fraction, that means that whole fraction is lesser than the other fraction. Okay, so this is how you do whenever you have like fractions. This is also, you call it as like fraction because your numerators are same. Okay, so this is not unlike, this you call it as like fraction. Okay, now unlike fraction comes when you have both the numerator and denominator different. The numbers like 5 by 2 and then 7 by 6. Okay, here neither numerator nor denominator, they are same, they are not equal, so you call these fractions as unlike fractions. Okay, to these fractions, you will take your LCM, or you can get your multiples. Okay, so let us go by LCM method. We have 2 and 6, so 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so my LCM is 6. So when it is 6, that means if I multiply this with 3, I will get 6, isn't it? So 2 into 3, I'll get 6. So numerator also I should multiply with 3. Okay, and this number 7 by 6, already you have 6 in this, so there is no need for you to multiply. That is, you will multiply by 1 and divide by 1. Okay, so 5 by 2 will become now 5 is 15 by 6, and this will become 7 by 6. So now you have got denominators equal, and you will get what? 15 is greater than 7, therefore 15 by 6 is greater than 7 by 6. Okay, this is how you do for your unlike fractions. Okay, see, easy method you have is one more method I will show you, which is called as butterfly method. Okay, so we had two numbers, 5 by 2 and 7 by 6. Okay, let's have a bubble in between them. Alright, this is the first step you will do. Second step, what you will do is 5 by 2, okay, and 7 by 6. So first you will cross, you will multiply these two. Okay, so the 6 5s are how much? 30. I will write it on the top of this. Okay, similarly we will take the same bubble, okay, and we will cross multiply with the other pair. Okay, 7 to 14. So here it was 30 and here it is 14. So which is greater? 30 is greater than 14. Therefore your 5 by 2 is greater than 7 by 6. Isn't it? This is easy for you. The same we got here, right? 5 by 2, that is nothing but 15 by 6. It is greater than 7 by 6. Yes? Alright, so you want me to do more example using this. Let me take two unlike fractions, something like this. 1 by 2 and then 5 by 3. Okay, so first step is we will have a bubble here and cross multiply, and then so what you will do, you will cross multiply these numbers. Okay, numerator and denominator. So 3 1s is 3, I will write here on the top, and I will do all the steps in one. You will cross multiply this. 5 2s 10. So here 3 is less than 10, isn't it? That means 1 by 2 is less than 5 by 3. Isn't it? This method is easy. This is called as butterfly method. Okay. Okay, we will do more examples on this in our Zoom meeting. Okay, so next let's move on to the next part of your fractions. That is, you have addition, basic operations you are going to do with by using your for your fractions. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so let's do addition. Let's take some examples on addition. I think you already know this, how to do addition of your fractions. Okay, let us do some examples one by one. Okay, so let's see first addition of like fractions. Okay, if you have like fractions, it's very easy to add. So for example, if I have 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, since denominators are same, so I can write this as what? 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, I will just add the numerators because denominators are equal, so that means they are like fractions. So I will get 4 by 2. Okay, let me take one more example for your like fractions. If I have fractions, mixed fraction like this and a normal fraction like this. Okay, how do you do? First of all, you need to convert this mixed fraction into your improper fraction and then do the same operation. So this will be how much? 5 into 7, it is 35, 36, 37. 37 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Okay, so we have got how much? This was the first. Okay, so now we have numerator denominator same. So what you will do? 37 plus 1 divided by 7. This will be how much? 38 by 7. Alright, isn't it? This addition is very simple. I think you already know about this. Okay, a little complication comes when it is unlike fractions. Okay, but it's again easy. You need to take LCM of denominator. This will be new for you. Okay, so first was your like fractions. Now second is with your addition of unlike fractions. Okay, so I have one like this. Okay, 2 by 3. We need to add these 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. How to do this? You will take LCM of these two. Okay, 3 and 4. What is your LCM of 3 and 4? So you will keep 3 as it is. 2 2 is 4. 3 2 1 is 2. So your LCM will be 3 to 6, 6 to 12. Okay, so I will take LCM as 6 to 12. Alright, here it is 3. So 3 will go how many times? 3 4s is 12. So 2 into 4 you will take. Okay, and to this fraction we have 4 here. 4 3s is 12, right? So you will take 1, okay, into 3. This is equal to, this is 4 2 is 8 plus 3 1s is 3 divided by 12. So this is 8 9 10 11. 11 by 12. So your addition of these two unlike fractions is how much? 11 by 12. So you need just practice for this. These are important. You practice very well. Okay, let me take one more example and stop for today, and we will do many more. Subtraction will be same as what we are doing for addition. Instead of plus we will do minus. That's all. Okay, so now if you have another example like you have a mixed fraction 1 4 by 5 plus 2 5 by 6. Okay, first I will convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction. 5 1s is 5, 6 7 8 9. This will be 9 by 5. Now tell me what is the improper fraction of this. Pause my video and do it and tell me. This will be, so I hope you have done. So it will be, verify yourself. 6 to 12. 12 plus 5, it is 17. 17 by 6. So now your denominators are different. So what you will do, you need to get your LCM. So this is, you will get 30. Okay, if you take LCM of these two, you will get 30. Okay, 6 5 is 30. So my LCM is 30. Now you come to this fraction. I will keep 9 as it is into so 5, how many times it will go? It will go 5 6 is 30. Okay, so that is, you need to multiply with your numerator of this. Now come to this fraction 17, you will keep as it is here like this into 6, how many times it will go by 30? 6 5 is 30. Okay, so now just multiply and tell me the answer. 9 6 is 54 plus 17 into 5, 7 5 35, 5 and 5 6 7 8, 85. So 85 by 30. Now add these two. 54 85 7 8 9 13. I think I'm doing correct. 139 by 30. Okay, so addition of these two improper fractions, we are going to get answer as for how much? 139 by 30. Since your question was in mixed fraction, so we can convert this into this answer into mixed fraction. Okay, so if I divide 30 with 139, sorry, 139 with 30, so how many times it will go? First is it is 30, yeah, 34 is 120. Okay, so you'll get 9, and here it is 19. So this is 19, it will not go in 30. So my mixed fraction will be how much? 4 19 by 30. Alright, you should become very perfect about this conversion of mixed fraction into improper to mixed fraction. Okay, so if you have any doubt, we can discuss in the class. Okay, practice is very much important. Alright, I think we will stop for today till here. Try to solve some problems which I'm going to give you now. Alright, and do this. I will give you 2 problems as homework. Okay, 5 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 6. Okay, subtraction is just same as what we did for your addition. Try to do this. Okay, and one more problem I'm going to give you is do this one. 5 2 by 7 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 3 by 7. Alright, so no, let me take this 7 only. Okay, so this is 1 by 7, 5 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 2 3 by 7. Okay, do these 2 problems as homework, and you're not able to do it, we can discuss in our class. Okay, so try to solve this. See, practice is very much important, so practice as many as problems you can do. Okay, until we meet again with a new video, I would like to take off from you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.